Hey guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel and to my June plan with me video. I know I'm a bit late as always, but I'm just doing my best right now, guys. I've got so much going on and hopefully I'll be able to share a lot of that with you soon. But yeah, just bear with me for the moment because my life has been a little bit crazy. So anyway, today I'm going to be showing you how I set up my bullet journal for the month of June. And some of you might be getting a little bit confused because the theme is actually going to be kind of wintry and wet weather, like rain and clouds and yeah, winter in Melbourne. And that's because it is winter in Melbourne now. In June we just started winter, but I know for most of you it's actually probably summer on the other side of the world in the northern hemisphere, but for us down in the southern hemisphere it is winter. So that's what I'm going to be doing today for this month's theme. So I thought it'd be cute to do an umbrella and with some rain falling down, and I just thought it was really cute to incorporate the handle of the umbrella into the text for June. So again, I'm doing a little bit of hand lettering and calligraphy, and the pens that I'm actually using are my new Pigma Micron, I think that's how you say it, Sakura pens, sorry about that. My sister got these for me when she went over to the States recently and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I'll leave all the details of all the different pens and pencils and everything that I use down below. And so yeah, I'm just coloring that in with some blue pencils and I'm really happy with how this cover page turned out. So then moving on to the next spread, I'm actually going to be doing my monthly log, and I really liked the setup that I did last month, which was the full calendar view across the month. So I'm doing that again with each of the individual boxes for each day of the month. And as you can see, I'm just kind of flicking back to last month quite a bit because yeah, I just really liked how I set it up and I wanted to do the same this month. And I kind of stuffed up one of the boxes. I don't really know, the line was wonky. So I ended up coming in and fixing it up by doing a bit of a drop shadow, which I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. So overall, it wasn't a fail. It was meant to be because I'm really happy with the finished result. So yeah, as you can see here, I'm just doing a box for each of the days of the month, adding in that little drop shadow. And then I'm going to come in and add each day of the week, so Monday through to Sunday. And then again adding each of the days. And I forgot that June only has 30 days, so I added an extra box at the bottom, but that's okay, it doesn't really matter. And then again, I'm coming in with my calligraphy pen and I'm going to add June with a little puddle next to it. And then I thought I would do some sort of raindrops coming from the top of the page. I'm not overly happy with how the top border turned out, but overall I think it looks pretty good, and yeah, it's definitely got that kind of wintry vibe to it. And so for the next page, I'm doing a bit of a monthly log again, I suppose. I don't know, I like this layout of having the days listed down the middle of the page and then having a section for personal stuff and business stuff. Generally, I just put events here. That's kind of where I keep track of things that I have on in my calendar. And then on the other page, I of course had to do a quote, and the quote that I chose was, "If you want the rainbow, you've got to put up with the rain," which is, I don't know, I just think it's a really cute quote and really kind of gives perspective to life that, you know, if you want good things, you've also got to go through tough times. So moving on to the next spread, I'm doing a mood tracker, and again, going with the theme of winter and rain, I'm doing some big raindrops, which I'm going to fill in each day with a different color for whichever mood I'm in. So I've got the little key down the bottom, and I thought ideally I want the whole thing to be blue because that will just look good and go well with my themes. So I made the blue color 5 out of 5 and then going down to 1 out of 5 in terms of my mood. And of course I had to do another quote because you guys know I'm obsessed with my quotes, and I don't know, I just find them really fun to do. So that's why I wanted to do another one. And this one is, "Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning to dance in the rain." And again, that's all about embracing the difficult or challenging things that happen in our life and making the most of it and overcoming them. So yeah, I just thought that would be really cute for this month. And then moving over to the next page, I'm setting up my first week of June. So I'm going back to my old faithful layout of having a section, horizontal section or strip for each day of the week. and I thought it would be really cute to add some little clouds with the days and the dates. And then down the bottom I just wrote no rain, no flowers, which I don't know why, but my camera cut off. It tends to do that every now and again. But yeah, then on the other page I did some boxes, and this is where I put my little to-do lists, and I find it really useful. So I did a different box for each day of the week, and I was doing so well, like making these into perfect little cloud shapes, and I was so proud of myself. And then I must have gotten distracted because I don't really know what happened with that little Sunday box down the bottom. It's a little bit wonky, but overall I just think this is really cute and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So that is about it for this month's bullet journal. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked the different theme of kind of wintry, and I just think, you know, putting a positive spin on winter, because everyone seems so negative, but I just love winter. I don't know, I love getting cozy and staying inside and being warm when it's like cold outside. I don't know, I just love it. Of course, I had to do nails that match my theme, so I'll have a tutorial for those soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!